Welcome, my dear friends, to our Feast Voyager channel, and together we navigate the world of international cooking. Today's dish is from the pizza capital of Italy, and we learn how to prepare and cook pizza.
Ingredients for pizza dough: 2 cups all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon salt, 1 tablespoon sugar, 1 teaspoon instant yeast, 1 cup warm water, 2 tablespoons olive oil. Instructions for preparing pizza dough. In a large bowl, mix flour, salt, and sugar. In a small bowl, dissolve the yeast in warm water and let it activate for 5 to 10 minutes. Add the activated yeast to the dry mixture, then add olive oil. Knead the mixture until you get a smooth and elastic dough. Cover the dough and let it rest for about an hour or until it doubles in size. Instructions for preparing pizza sauce. In a small bowl, mix tomato sauce with olive oil, minced garlic, oregano, salt, and black pepper. Preheat the oven. Preheat the oven to a high temperature, around 220 degrees Celsius, 428 degrees Fahrenheit. Roll out the dough. After the dough has rested, roll it out on a floured surface into a round shape until you get a thin crust. Assemble the pizza. Place the rolled out dough on a baking tray. Spread the tomato sauce over the dough. Sprinkle the shredded mozzarella cheese over the sauce. Distribute the quartered cherry tomatoes on the pizza. Bake. Place the pizza in the preheated oven and bake until the crust is golden and the cheese is melted, about 12 to 15 minutes. Serve the pizza. After taking it out of the oven, garnish the pizza with fresh basil leaves. Slice the pizza and serve it hot. Enjoy preparing the delicious margherita pizza with its soft crust. And don't forget to allocate enough time for the dough to rest for the best results.